I'll grab a little quick drink of water here since I got the bike stopped. Yeah, I'm kind of bummed out I didn't get any footage. I don't know if the wind on this helmet mount screwed me up or what. Started out okay, and then maybe the wind affected it. Maybe I got too much wind drag on here coming up here. So I don't know, maybe the helmet rig might not be the way to go. That's what we're testing out. Anyway, put my gloves back on. I'll just take a quick little rip down there. I'm probably not going to try to make it to the other side over there today just because I don't feel like fighting sand and I got to go to work in a little while. I'm going to try to get some kind of a nap. So anyway, let me see, are we in neutral? Yes we are. Almost started. Make sure I got my phone in there. Yeah, we're good to go. There's the guys on the Jeep that I saw. There's all kinds of people down there. They're just screwing around. GoPro point of view. I'll have to work that out later. And this is not even low difficulty. So I'll just creep down this thing. Use my back brake and my front brake. Kind of get sideways. Alright. No big deal. Easy peasy. Normally that'd be the way to the other side of the water retention basin, but I don't feel like fighting sand that today. I'm gonna see if I can go around this way. Just screw around a little bit this way. It's gonna be slow going though, you know. Whoa, almost fell. That's not good. This is basically concrete. There's a little road over here. I'll see. I'll screw around. Really can't go too fast in here. First gear, about it. This stuff's loose too. Pulls up the front wheel pretty easy. I've never really went this way, so you're seeing it in real time. Okay, where do I go from here? Let's see, do I want to navigate this crap? All this stuff is so loose. Okay. Oh, there is a little road. Okay, that might be good to go. Look at that. Still loose, I'm still going to be careful. This is basically all gravel. Really kind of bury yourself in this crap. Maybe I don't want to go through here. Yeah, so this is almost like sand, you know? Okay, now we're okay. And what do I got here? More loose gravel. Be careful, you know. Ooh, almost wiped out there. Be careful in this loose crap, you know. More stuff, put stuff away. Ah, I'm almost on the other side, so maybe I'll start going this way. Yeah, pull that front wheel up, babe. What have I got here? Tire somebody threw away. Like trailer tires. Ah, like I said, you know, if I didn't say that I hated people before, I'll say it again. People just, you know, they mess everything up. Come out here and screw it up for everybody else. Yeah, so this looks like a viable way to get on the other side of the water retention basin. Go this way from now on. Stay out of that sand I love so much. Also, you know, I decided I want to keep, you know, most of the cussing out of my videos. I'm fixing up the other video that I shot the other day because, you know, people don't want to hear that. So, oh yeah, a little bit of wheelie time there. Yeah, I love this bike. I hope there's 2 strokes in heaven. Okay. Oh yeah. Alright. I'll take a little rip down here towards the other side of the water retention basin. My dust trail down there, and we'll see what footage I got. Open this thing up. I'm glad I don't have a 500. You know, whoever designed the 500 said, you know, 250 cc's is good enough. You know, hold my beer. Alright. Let's see what kind of footage I got. What kind of footage I got? Let's see. Alright, that's neutral. Take my helmet off again.